Mhm. Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dugas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 13th of May 2024, and the day is Monday, first trading day of the week. I'm here yet again to share my key levels of inflection for all the instruments that we are going to discuss right now. In the quick 20 minutes, we'll be discussing the price action, and we'll also see the charts for all the pairs, that is forex majors, and a few bullions like gold and maybe even Brent and Bitcoin also. Now you might be thinking, who am I? Guys, for those who are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Rakesh and I'm your host here. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am an independent analyst. Whatever I'm saying here in this live stream, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. I'm just using the YouTube platform to host my analysis here. Okay. Now we'll be discussing the price action here, and we will not be talking about anything that is fundamental in nature. Like I told you earlier, we will be discussing the price action, and for that we will be using the candlestick type of charts. So we'll have a look at the charts, we'll find out the key levels, place them on the charts, and let them run. So at the end of the session, I'll be taking the questions from the viewers. Please ask questions. I will be very happy to answer your questions. And before I start, I must tell you that whatever I am going to say in this live stream, it is not a trading advice. Please do your own research before you put your money on the line. And this video or this live stream can be seen as an information or knowledge purpose only. So let me take you through the standard risk disclaimer, and after that we will go to the charts. On your screen is the standard risk disclaimer. Please understand the risk that is associated when you trade forex on margin, and then pause the video here if you want, understand it completely, and then only move to the charts. Okay, so here are the charts. The first things first, this is the US dollar index. This is the daily chart of the US dollar index. The price is in a down move, and we are expecting a lower high to be formed. For that lower high to be confirmed, we have to trade below this low, which is 104.40. Well, we have targets on the downside around 103.62. That is what I'm expecting from the dollar. So the price has made a lower low here. We are expecting a lower high and then a lower low, so that the downtrend can be said that okay, now the US dollar is in a down move. On the way up, you can expect resistance at around 105.60. The support can be expected around 103.62. In case of pound, we have a clean breakout now. The price is trading with the no resistance whatsoever on the way up till 1.2634. I think tomorrow and day after, or maybe the next entire week, this entire week, the price will try to go and check 1.232634 and maybe even towards 1.2709. That is what my expectation is. On the way down, if the price starts going down from here, 1.262465 should be acting as a good support. Okay, euro also looks like it is trying to break away from this channel. Today, if the price closes above this, then the next day can be seen as a buying opportunity close to 1.0773 area with a target of 1.0885 in the coming time. Now on the way down, you can expect this low as the fresh support and this resistance around here. You can expect some resistance around the high of this candle. So what you can do is you can place it like this. What about the Australian dollar, guys? Now the Australian dollar has also hit the 50% and is expected to rise from here. Now this rise, this is on the 4-hour, so you can go on the daily and look for a rise in the Australian dollar above 0.6644. When that happens, then you can expect some resistance at 0.6668, and above that there is no resistance all the way up to 0.6748. I think these should be there on the charts, and on the downside, if you start going downwards, this low should be acting as a good support for the price. This low is sitting around 0.6558. What is happening in the New Zealand dollar? Finally, the price closed above 0.6015, and now it is trying to take support on that level or around that level. Okay, now the next target for the New Zealand dollar is 0.6083. The support can be seen around this low. So what is that low? This is the low that I'm talking about. All right, What about the USD CHF? A blow back to the downside has happened. We are expecting this to be a lower high, but for this to form, we have to go through this low. Although the Swiss franc, I think, is much weaker than the US dollar, so it is trying to rise against the Swiss franc, and even the 50% retracement is also not over. So maybe first it will retrace 50% to 60%, and then will drop. I think that will be a better option to sell this market. USD CAD is also finding it difficult to sell. A descending triangle is in formation here. Although I'm expecting it to break to the downside targets being 1.3420 and the higher targets being 1.3785, or you can say the resistance for that matter. USD JPY, the price is trying to rise, is trying to go above this high, but on the way up, I'm expecting a stop somewhere, 60 to 70% level. 157.01 is the area from where the resistance will start, and it can end up, it can go all the way up to 70%. I don't know, but maybe these highs will stop the price, or maybe even this 62% can stop the prices from rising. New Zealand CAD, very clean market structure here, but if it breaks to the downside, then only we can see the lower prices. Till the time this low is holding, we can look for the buying opportunities in this target with the higher, in this market with the higher targets. Bitcoin is consolidating from a long time now. Although we are expecting lower prices in this one, lower than this at least. Okay, now these are not relevant. Even this is not relevant now. The price has been making lower highs and lower lows. So if it becomes a lower low high, the price has to make a lower low so that this lower high is established. So right now the price has resistance here. So this is a range bound market which is not going higher or lower. Brent, we have a clean breakdown on the Brent, and now the price is trying to go lower. 81.13 is what I'm watching. Any close below this will open the way for 76.66. So you will have most, I think, a lot of room for the Brent to be traded. On the higher side, if the price starts trading higher from here, then 84.61 should be acting as a resistance all the way up to this area, although we have a swing high around here, that is 89.31. that is the swing high. Gold, I think we have discussed it on Friday that do not buy the gold at current prices because it has just hit that falling channels resistance area, and see that the price is headed lower again. Well, the price is in an uptrending market until the time the price is, I think, trading above this low of 2303. You should be seeing this market as a buying market only now. Although you may think that this falling channel may stop the prices anytime soon, so try to buy as close as to 2303. If you don't want to buy, that is okay, but yes, this is a buying opportunity here. Japanese index, we were expecting the price to bounce from here like this, but I think it is even going for a lower price, maybe even lower than this, and then test this trend line and then shoot higher. Right now we are not selling this market because we are very close to the downswing pivot, sorry, upswing pivot. Now how this is upswing pivot, you have to understand. This is how the price makes upswing pivots on the way up, but when the price breaks previous high, then only this pivot is valid. Since here the price has not broken any previous high, so this is not a valid pivot, and the price has a pivot around 37,736. Till the time the price is trading above that, we can be looking for the buying opportunities only with the target of 39,956. Any break below 37,736 will open the way for 37,114. Euro JPY, a clean uptrend. The price has hit almost the 62% area. From here we can expect tomorrow the taking out of this liquidity and then turning back. That is what my anticipation is for tomorrow and day after. GBPOD, we went lower, but today we could not continue lower. So yes, expect the price to break higher from 1.9039 and start going up again. Now if that doesn't happen, then there is a possibility that the next day the price will start dipping lower, but today it doesn't look like that. Pound is very strong against the Australian dollar, and any rise above 1.9039 will open up the way for 1.9116 and maybe even to 1.9313 in the coming time. CHFJPY, like I said that we were bearish on this one. There is a little fair value gap. We have already traded above 62%. So I have a strong, not just an opinion, a very strong opinion that we are going to trade into this zone, okay, tomorrow. This is what my expectation is, that we are going to get traded into this zone tomorrow and then we sell off. This is also ICT concept, and this is also an imbalance concept, if you can understand. Audi New Zealand, well, the breakdown and retest of that broken resistance as the fresh broken support as the fresh resistance. So yes, if you have known in the price action, this is a very good concept by the ICT, the fair value gap. If you can notice this fair value gap, then you will notice that the price is about to trade that and close below. Now if that happens, you know where the price is headed next liquidity, that is 1.0857. I hope you understand this well. If you have not gone through his concepts, please go through his concepts. Very strong concepts to understand, very easy to understand. Now this is, I think 1.0857 is the next level for where the price is trying to. What you can do is you can go to 1 hour and you will see a selling opportunity here. See, boom, or at least on the 15 minutes you will get a selling opportunity. Yes, the price traded into a fair value gap, made an intraday low, boom boom boom. So yes, right now the price is going to trade lower. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me that and I'll be very happy to answer that. If not, then I would like to wrap up this session by saying that I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. You can do so by adjusting your position size so that even if your stop loss gets triggered, you should not lose more than 1% of your account. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT.